Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Upgraded Formulas Hair Testing Kit. So, all joking aside, Upgraded Formulas is probably my go-to source for all things electrolytes. Especially, well, I got two. I got Redmond's Relight, and then I got Upgraded Formulas. So, Upgraded Formulas does more than just offer electrolytes. They are like basically an all-in-one, everything you need to know about your electrolyte needs and fill those needs. So basically, I've had the owner on my podcast twice now, I think. Awesome guy, very, very smart individual, and he has got this Upgraded Formulas Hair Test Analysis Kit, which I'll include a link to below. I'm going to do like an unboxing and basically tell you what we've got going on here. So, Key Mineral Deficiency, Heavy Metal Toxicity, and Metabolism Test. Your 3-in-1 testing solution. An at-home hair test kit that's easy, affordable, and insightful. CLIA certified and physician-approved lab results. Fast, accurate, actionable. Say goodbye to painful blood draws. So basically, you purchase the kit on their website, which is upgradedformulas.com. You collect and send a sample, and then you get your test results via email. Now, he got me, I didn't even know this was in here. I haven't even opened this yet. So, they just hooked me up. They're awesome. They sent me some upgraded magnesium, which, if that focuses, is awesome. This is one of the few magnesium supplements where I could actually feel a difference. A lot of electrolyte supplements, you get it, and like, you try it, and you can't really tell a tangible difference. I can tell a tangible difference with this stuff. I'll take these before I go to bed, and my dreams are exponentially more vivid than normal, which is pretty cool. Upgraded Nano Potassium. So if that focuses, boom. Now the cool stuff about this is that it is nanoized. All their stuff is nanoized. So basically what that means is the particle size in this potassium is smaller than your red blood cells. So normally when you supplement with a lot of electrolyte powders, your body doesn't fully absorb and assimilate all of that powder. So you have some GI distress and you excrete a lot of it through your urine and feces. That does not happen with this stuff. You don't have to supplement near as much because you have a full 100% absorption rate, which is nice because you don't use it up as quickly. I mean, this is, let's see here, 99 milligrams per serving, 0.4 teaspoons, servings per container, 59. So quite a few servings, and this is potassium chloride, so very effective stuff, and you don't need to supplement with near as much. And then also upgraded zinc. So that focuses, boom. If you are deficient in zinc, this is the way to go. So how do you know if you are deficient in any of these things? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you take a hair test. Let's open up this bad boy. So, comes in an envelope, as you see here, and boom, we got 20% off coupon. Can't beat that. And then we have this return package. So, comes with a complete return package. Has the information in an envelope here. Actually, the information is here. It's got the return shipping label, and then it's got the account information here, where you can plug in and fill out your name, sex, ethnic origin, natural hair color, and whether or not you're pregnant, and any current medications, etc., etc. Basically a normal test. Now, what is interesting about this is it's got a step-by-step process here. So we're going to go over that step-by-step process. Step number 1. Please complete section 1 through 5. That is this section here, which I'm going to do that off the camera because y'all don't need to see me write my name. Number 2, full name and shampoo. So you want to disclose what your full name is and the type of shampoo you are using, because this is a hair sample, not a urine sample, and depending on what kind of shampoo you use, that could impact the results. Step number 2, locate hair scale, which is this right here. Complete section 1 through 3. Insert hair sample inside the hair collection envelope, which is A, which is this, I believe. Yeah, this is A. You got your letters right there. That's A. and seal and discard hair scale. This is the hair scale. Locate HTMA submittal form. That's actually this one right here. Sorry, I messed that up. This is C. And complete all sections. Locate prepaid return label and polybag shipper. Insert hair sample, etc., etc., etc. So you get the point. So let me show you how easy this is right here. This is a hair scale. So basically you are going to fold complete sections 1 through 3. Please fold the hair sampling instructions located on the reversal side of this card. Alright, so obtaining the hair specimen. It's got little diagrams and all kinds of useful information in case you need to follow along. Obtaining hair specimens. Scalp hair is the recommended sample source. Pubic hair and other body hair can be achieved or can be used if scalp hair is not available. So if I was bald, I can shave my pubes. If I'm bald there, then I can shave my armpits. There's all kinds of options. Wherever there's enough hair, there's an option. Preparation. The portion of hair to be collected should be untreated, not permed, dyed, or bleached. If the hair test has been treated, use the growth near the root, which has been treated, or wait, which has not been treated, or wait until new growth has emerged. The hair should be free of gels, oils, and creams prior to sample collection. So I got a shower after my workout not too long ago. So I've got a full head of hair. I'm going to use that. And it gives you kind of like options for location, the length of hair, using stainless steel scissors or thinning shears. Cut as close to the scalp as possible, no more than 1.5 inches. Discard excess hair. Please complete section 2-3 on reverse side to obtain sufficient sample weight. So this is cool because this is an actual hair scale. So you fold where it indicates you need to fold on both sides as such. Alright, boom. Now that's basically a scale. See what I got going on here? You can't really tell with the video, but that's a scale. And then we're going to place our hair specimen here within the borders of this box. So there's a little border right there on the B, and then that is where we place the hair. So I'm actually going to get a haircut this week, and my hair is about 1.5 inches long on the sides. I'm just going to just go to town, cut my own hair here until the scale tips. So I think I totally just missed. There we go. There's some hair. Alright, need a little bit more. My barber's going to be like, what the heck did you just do, bro? I think I'm totally missing where I'm grabbing. Alright. I'm about to get a shower after this. Alright. So, our scale has tipped. And I have made a mess. Alright, so now we have our hair sample here. Man, not good. Got hair everywhere. We have our hair sample here, and we are going to put that in the envelope. Insert hair sample in this hair collection envelope A, which is right here. So just make sure all that goes in there. I'm going to try and get some of this off my desk. Alright, boom. Got it in the envelope. And then seal and discard hair scale. So I can discard the hair scale. Make sure you don't lick this with a bunch of hair in your mouth. Boom. That is ready to go. And now I'm going to fill out that form here. I'm going to put this in the envelope with the return shipping label. I'm going to send this off, and I'm going to get results back within a week that tell me exactly what I am deficient in. And I'm going to make this a 2-part series because I want to go over the results with y'all as well. I won't have those for another week. So we're going to do a 2-part series on this. And we'll go over those results. But hopefully this shows and illustrates just how easy it is to get your electrolyte needs figured out via the hair test sample. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take a shower after that, after I get a haircut. And I'll see y'all for the results. Oh, by the way, I put a link in the bottom of this description with a link to the hair test kit sample on their website. Check it out.